Hello everyone, if you don't want to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 and it keeps crashing on your PlayStation 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 crashing on PS5 easily. So first off, you're going to go into your games menu and you're going to press the options button on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 and then you're going to click check for update. Once you click check for update, it's going to look for any updates to Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4, and if it finds any updates, it will update the game. After you're done with that, now you're going to go into the settings button here, and then you're going to go into users and accounts, and then you're going to go into other, and now you're going to go into restore licenses here, and here you're going to select Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 in this list and just click restore on it. Once you click restore, it's going to try to restore the license of Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4, and once it's done with that, now you can go ahead and try to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 and you'll see that your game will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 crashing on PS5. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.